MCPs are blowing up right now, but most people don't know what they are, so I'm going to break it down in plain English. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's a new standard that allows large language models like ChatGPT and Claude to connect with outside services and tools in a simple, consistent way. And the reason this matters is that large language models are great for predicting text, writing poems, replying to you in a human-like way, but they can't actually do anything real. They can write an email for you, but they can't actually send that email. To combat this, developers started plugging in individual tools into LLMs like email services, spreadsheets, or search engines. And this does work, but when you start stacking multiple tools together, it gets really messy and also really hard to upscale. So how does MCP fix this? I'm gonna give you an analogy. Imagine you want to plan a holiday. You could do it all yourself. You can ring up the hotels, the private rental cars, a different flight provider, and you follow each of their own processes, but this can get quite time consuming. So instead you go to a travel agent and you tell the travel agent, I want you to book me a 5-day trip to Spain. And they do all the work that involves booking each hotel, flight, and also translating that information between those so everything is one cohesive holiday. And of course that means you don't have to do that. This is exactly what MCP does. It acts like the travel agent between the LLM and also all the external tools it needs. So instead of every developer putting loads of APIs together, MCP provides a way to use one common language. And the result of this is that AI assistants can then do something more meaningful than just giving you information. They can actually take actions and fetch data, connect to business software, automate tasks, and not break when tools change. To sum up, MCP is a standard that allows LLMs to become more capable and useful. On their own, these models can just talk, but with MCP, they can finally act, which makes it so exciting. I hope this video was helpful, and if you did enjoy this, check out the rest of my channel where I make a lot of content aimed at beginners on AI and software development. But other than that, I'll see you next time.